All right, guys, welcome. And today, what we're going to be talking about is KuCoin Exchange. I'm sure a lot of you guys heard about it. So I'm going to go through with it and explain it to you guys step by step what you need to do. And I'm sure some of you guys seen the other video that I've got up on the channel, which is the Binance. So we're going through the same thing. You're going to click on sign up and you're going to go through the normal standard signing up. Once you go through that one thing that I wanted to mention as well, KuCoin, you won't need in terms of KYC, know your customer verification. It's one of those exchanges that is, you just register with your email, get that verified, and you should be able to trade. So what I will do, and I've already got an account, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to my account and I'll explain it to you guys. Okay, now that we're in, let's just get to it. This is the overview of the account, and it will tell you, the different accounts that you have. You've got the main account, you've got your trading account, you've got the margin account, this is the future account, and this is the pool account where you can earn, and I'll cover that in another video. And the overview of the accounts are those, and this is the trading fees, where you can find the trading fees, the security accounts, and everything like that. And so let's get to the main account. This main account is where you usually would be sending or receiving and anything, crypto related, such as Bitcoin or anything like that. You've got all the coins in here, and you've got the trading account here as well, where you'll be, buying and selling. So what you can do usually, if you want to move something, so let's just give an example here. You want to move this from here from your main account to your trading account. So all you do is you click transfer, and it will tell you where to transfer between, and you just click on the coin that you want and the amount. So let's just say now we want to transfer that nine. And also, by the way, guys, there's no fees and transferring between the accounts. So now that I've got in here, it's there. I've got and now I can trade with it. And that's one of the things that a lot of people don't know. So they will sometimes try to transfer it into the trading account. So it might not work. It might work, but it might not work. Don't hold me on that. The other thing that I wanted to mention is, and we need to cover, is in regards to deposit and and withdraw. So if you wanna, for example, now deposit, for example, you wanna deposit Bitcoin, what you're gonna have to do is click on deposit, and then you'll click the cryptocurrency that you want to do. So now we want to do, let's say, an example of, let's just say we'll do BTC. Okay, and what we're gonna do, make sure you click well, KuCoin uses the BTC, which is the SegWit address. Once you do that, then what you're gonna do is, this is your deposit address for KuCoin, your Bitcoin wallet address on KuCoin. So what you need to do is click here, copy it, and now, guys, what I'm going to show you, because I'm already logged into my Binance, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw from your Binance now to deposit into your KuCoin. So I'm already logged in, and if you guys remember, we're going to go to the wallet overview, and now what we're going to go, we're going to click, I understand, we're going to click withdraw on here. And once you click on withdraw, you click on, we're not withdrawing fiat, we will join crypto. So we're going to click on crypto, and you've got the Bitcoin there. On here, what you're going to do is paste it, the address that we've copied from there, and it automatically tell you what it is. And then you just withdraw whatever amount you want to withdraw. And that's the amount that you can withdraw. So you can withdraw whatever amount you want. And you just click withdraw, you do the verification and the code, everything. Once you do the verification, that should come to your KuCoin here. And that's as easy as that. The same principle for withdrawal as well, for from KuCoin to your Binance. What you can do is the same thing. You search for BTC, Bitcoin, and you click withdraw. So now what you need to do is you need to get the other exchange, or let's say for example here Binance. What we're going to do is go to this Fiat and account, and you're going to get the address for the Bitcoin on Binance. And the way you're going to get it is we'll go here BTC, and that should come up. We'll click deposit, and here you will choose what you want to deposit. So on here, what we're going to do is deposit crypto. We don't want to do fiat. So you click on the coin you want, you search for the coin, BTC, there you go. And then you click the network, BTC, and you copy the address. Here's your address. This is your address, guys. This number and letter is your address. And then you go back to your KuCoin, you put the address, and you click the network, which is BTC, and it will tell you, for safety of your assets, please make sure that your network is BTC, because guys, if you don't put the right address, you might lose your account. You might lose your funds, so be careful, please. Also, guys, there's a fees of 0.0005 BTC, and once you put the amount that you want to withdraw, you just click confirm, and they will ask you for the password and the trading code. So the other thing that I wanted to cover quickly is how you can buy and crypto via third party, such as Visa or other third parties on KuCoin. So what you can do here is, and you have options here, which is BTC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and you have USDT. That's the stable coin, USDT Tether. So usually this coin, it doesn't go up and down. It's usually a stable coin. And what you can do, and I believe at the moment, let me have a check if we got the GPP. Yeah, we've got the GPP. So what you do is you just click, let's say £100. Then you click buy USDT, and then it will tell you how you can buy it by bank card or your balance. So, and then you just go verify your identity, and that's how you can do that. And it should have that in your fiat wallet. The other ways that you can do is the third party. There's another third party way. That's the fastest way, guys, by the way, but this is another way that you can do it. So you want to spend, let's just say here, you've got the GPP, and you want to spend, let's just say £100 worth of Bitcoin, and you want to buy £100 worth of Bitcoin, and you have the options of where to buy it from, and it tells you the offer is the best offer, and you just go through it, and it will tell you. You just go through the disclaimer. Make sure you click I've read and agreed to this disclaimer, and then just confirm. Once you confirm, you're good to go. What else am I missing here, guys? The other thing that I wanted to talk to you guys is let's cover the spot trading. So you have the standard, usual spot trading similar to Binance, and but the one thing I like about this exchange is you can actually open four of them at the same time. Where I will show you right now how it works. So you go into that tab, you've got four of them. Now you can open four tabs. You've got a Bitcoin there, and then here on this tab you can click on, let's just say BNB, BNB. So we've got BNB USDT. Oh, I think this one here I need to wait a second. Okay. Right, okay, my bad. Gone a bit confusing, but you can add the other ones that you want by just clicking on here. And for some reason my laptop is lagging, but you can click on here and just search for it. So now you can just remove that, and yeah. So let's go back to this one. There's the usual candlestick graph. So you've got the 8 hours, you've got the 1 week there, and you've got the days, you've got the 12 hours, you've got the 4 hours, you've got the 2 hours here, and you've got the trading volume over here. And on this side, as we mentioned before, you've got the buying order and the selling order, and then you've got the orders that have been already executed. Usually, it will ask you for your PIN to do any sort of trading, and then you've got your trading where you can sell. Here is what you can do. For example, you've got USDT and you want to buy Bitcoin. You can do buy 20% of your portfolio, 50% of your portfolio, 75% by the same principle with the price. So you have the option here where you can buy either limit market. So limit, you can have the option of what price you want to buy it at, and the market, well, if you click on the market, it will just automatically execute or sell automatically, and it will sell at that price. But on the limit, let's just say you want to get in a bit later, you can click on somewhere here or whatever price that you want to get in, and then you just click on buy limit, or whatever price that you want to sell at. You do the same principle here. You put the price you want to sell at, and then you click on the amount and you click sell. All right, guys, I hope that was more informative. The other thing that I wanted to discuss is the KuCoin is, one of these exchanges that has a lot of coins that come up early in, on KuCoin before it reaches Binance, because a lot of people, don't know that Binance, by the time the coin gets to Binance, it done a lot of movement. So it's good. It's a good coin. It's a good exchange to have. And the other thing that I wanted to mention is, they have um, a stake inside where you can stake, which I will be mentioning. They have already also, the finance side where you can lend your USDT or your crypto for specific APR, which is good. And they got their own coin, KCS, and holding KCS is actually beneficial because you get paid from the total volume that's been traded. There you get like sort of a percentage from it, depending on your holdings. So yeah, guys, on the next episode, I'll be talking about trading bots and how you can, capitalize on that. But today, this is it. I hope this was, beneficial and you learned a few things from it. Any questions, leave down in the comments. Please make sure you subscribe and like. And thank you for your time, guys.